Hi guys, so today we're going to be learning how to find the antiderivative using definite integrals with a real-world problem. The first thing that we need is our equation to find the area, which is our definite integral. This is our equation to find the definite integral later on when we substitute what we know into this equation, but for now we don't need it, so we're just going to put it aside. For now, let's focus on what we do know, which is our a and b as well as our derivative. For a and b, we can plug in our 9 and 4. We know that 9 is our b and 4 is our a because these are the lower and upper limits of integration. Now we are going to do step by step on how to find our antiderivative. In order to find the antiderivative, we are going to be using this formula. Since our variable is not in terms of x, we are going to have to put it in terms of t. So this is the new equation. Now that we have a new equation in terms of what we have, we no longer need the other one, so we're just going to erase it. With our new equation, we're going to put in what we know. We can't put in 8 into our equation because 8 is a constant, so we leave it out. Then we put in what we do know. We know that t is t, and then n is 3. So in order to have the right side of the equation, we need to have 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1. And then we can just simplify what we know. We can say 3 plus 1 is 4 in the denominator and the numerator, and then we can plug in 8 in our numerator, making it out to be 8t to the 4th over 4. Then we can simplify some more and cancel out our 8 and our 4, which leaves us with 2. So therefore, our antiderivative is 2t to the 4th. If you would like to double check if the antiderivative is right, you can go ahead and just derive as normal. Now we know that we found the correct antiderivative, we are going to use our antiderivative in order to find our integrals. In order to break down our equation, we are going to first try to find f of b. We are going to use our antiderivative that we just found and plug in what it is for b, since we know that b is 9. After calculating what f of b is, we found that it was going to be 13,122. Now in order to find f of a, we are going to do the exact same thing. We are going to take our antiderivative that we just found, and then we are going to plug in 4 instead of 9 because we found in the beginning that 4 was the lower integration, meaning it was a. Then we are just going to calculate what we got, and we got 512. Now that we calculated both of our functions, we are now able to use our equation. We put in what f of b and f of a is, and we subtract it. And that's how we get our area. Now we know that the car traveled 12,610 meters between 4 and 9 seconds. Thanks for watching!